Girl in the car,
let's go
she
down.
Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the car, she Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday.
Let's go like around and do our jumps. I'm gonna take the lead, okay? Well, not for long, but just for this part. That was a pretty good jump. That time I got some air. Okay, you take the lead. Now go up, make a U-turn, come back, and then we'll go on to that truck. Okay. No mudding this time. Yeah, last time we got mudding. Well, he went mudding a little bit. I was like, you know what? I want to do some mudding because it was like our second time doing mudding. And I was like, I want to do some mudding. So we could have got it on video record, but we did it. So we went mudding, and so it wasn't really mud. It was like underneath mud. So we spun out and got ourselves like stuck in mud to see if we could actually get ourselves out. And then next thing you know, he didn't get stuck. He got out straight away. And then next thing you know, I ended up getting stuck. But I was like, wiggle, 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 wiggle. And so I started wiggling in the back. But I was still on the bike, so I wasn't really cheating. So I went and I got out. So when I was like in there for like 2 minutes. Yeah, so this is the part that I don't like in here. I don't know if I took you over here. Actually, I think I did. In the last video, I literally just not called you. That doesn't make no sense. I guess maybe why you guys are What the hell? Yeah, it's right there. Here. Peanut! I want to show it when we got, what do you call it? I want to show it where we got stuck. Okay, I was telling you guys that it wasn't really mud, so we have to dig our tires in. So right there, you see there's that little small one, that small one right there is that guy's, that one's mine because I got a bigger one. So yeah, let's go through here one more time, but don't see our tires. We don't get stuck.
Extendo longest in extension cord. The ball like Jordan. And I play
Okay,
full court.
hold on, let me get you.
And if you're not my type, then you know I gotta keep it short.
Hold on, wait. I don't know if they can see you. Okay, go. Yeah, so this is like, this is like a big thing of tiny little rocks that, yeah, our tires just start spinning in. Yeah, that was, alright. Yeah, bumpy, 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 sorry. You don't understand. This kid usually does not ever want to do this, but now because we're at all.